I apologize for the shitty audio. My microphone decided it would not cooperate. What we're looking at are the chips coming off of the Mazak 550 MY we were using to machine a large axle pin. Very nice, clean, clear, good quality chips for a C&MG roughing insert. D&MG we're using for a finish. It makes a lot of the strings you see in the bottom. Just give you speeds and feeds on the D&MG finish insert. 920 surface foot and about 6 thou per rev on a 32 nose radius. Seiko M3. Right here we have our Mazak Quick Turn 30 doing a pin with a couple snap ring grooves in it. Nothing too hard, nothing too complicated. All you're watching is a machine run its cycle on the second half, I believe. You know, just so you guys can see what's going on. And no, my hand, my head are not in the machine. Don't ask. This is that same pin you just saw running, measuring it right now with the mic. I did do an actual measurement, 2-inch 088, 2-inch 88 thou, which, as I mumblefuck the paperwork for the next 4 seconds, 2-inch 88 is exactly what I want. They have 2-inch 087.5, close enough. Have you ever had one of them days where it's just like, it's over? Yep, me too. Fuck it, go home. Just to finish up our time on this video, I figured 6.5 minutes is probably good enough. A short clip of the Mazak 300 MY dual spindle with gantry as it loads and unloads parts. Drop this one off, pick up the next one, put it in spindle number 1 on your left side. The 2 spindles are their own z-axis. They can move, and they can also move towards each other and swap parts between heads. That way you don't have to constantly be removing parts by hand, reloading by hand. They can simply continue on, not have to do a restart or a continuation of the program. Makes it easier. Downside is when inserts blow up, they tend to take at least 4 to 5 parts with them. Kind of shitty. Is what it is. Very, very good machine for high production. Very good machine if you have somewhat loose tolerances, because you don't have to worry as much. You don't have to fight with the machine as often. Does make it very nice. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what machines you may be interested in, what kind of tools, how to read tools. If anybody's out there still just getting started, doesn't know about the programming or how to use the tools, how to do a setup, leave that for me. Let me know in the comments. Let me see it. Midwest Prick out. Good night, fuckers.